Varieties of Knob Chese.
From Jizzlob. Shut the fuck up. Excuse me a second. No.
Oh, I'll put it back.
Yeah, varieties of knob cheese.
Is
the varieties of knob cheese?
Yogi had a cheesy knob, camembert. Yogi had a cheesy knob, camembert. I didn't make that up.
And that's on the next X Factor. Well,
Sweaty.
there is. Is it the same as what grows on your feet? That's the thing I've never known.
Big cheese.
I don't have it.
Is it the same fungus?
Toe jam. Belly button fluff.
Oh, belly button cheese.
It stinks,
Yeah, I
doesn't
have
it?
that now and again.
No, I don't. Do you know? I don't think I have a bit of cheese on the feet.
I
but
don't have it on the feet.
Don't you?
Nah. Just in the belly button, yeah. That's just reminded me.
Oh,
My name's
stop keep
Spence.
fucking wiping your dirty fucking manky hands on me.
Meet the missus.
Kutash.
Yeah, do you remember that one? Meet the missus.
No, I didn't. Stop.
Didn't you done that one?
No, I
You
haven't.
shake hands with someone like that. Hello,
Do you know?
mate.
I don't even want to talk. Do you know?
Come on.
You're making me want to shower.
Hello, I'm Spence. Who are you? Meet the missus.
Oh, that's nasty.
You've never seen that one?
Edit.
No.
Yeah.
Cheese. Patchy knob cheese sometimes.
I've never had stringy knob cheese.
Stringy?
No.
Cheese
I don't
strings.
know one has. Have you ever?
Not stringy.
No.
Patchy.
Are you sure it's not just excess tissue from when you've just been wiping your end? And it's sort of got, you know, below the rim. That's a no.
But it's good to start off as milk, isn't it? In a way. And that curdles and turns to cheese. That's how you make cheese, isn't it? So you've got milky penis, curdles, turns to knob cheese.
Good
I
point.
don't think I've ever had a milky penis.
No,
Do
no.
they do them with a stick on the end?
Yes.
Yeah.
And a joke inside.
Yeah.
The joke being my penis.
Bitches love cheese toast. Bitches love cheese toast. Toast, 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 toast.
Bonus guitar.